Hey, what's up, guys? It's George, and it's been a while since I posted a video on this channel. Took a nice long break, a nice long vacation, but I'm ready to get back into it, and I got lots of great tips and advice, business advice to share with you all. And I'm still crushing it in the medical commodities business, still flipping strips, still got, in fact, my business is growing bigger than it's ever been. It is just exploding right now. It's peaking. Still in the notary business, still flipping, signing, and stamping. Business as usual. I'm still coaching, and all my online businesses, everything has been going great. Sometimes you just gotta take a little break from the social media, the digital streets of the social media world. Can get a little crazy, and it's good to kind of reflect and reground and regroup yourself. But I'm here to come on back. I got lots of good tips and advice to share with you guys, and I'm gonna post a lot of just random work and business related stuff on this channel. Those of you guys subscribe to my other channels as well. This one is just going to be like it was before, just dedicated really just to posting stuff about business related content and what I'm doing, how different things I'm doing to make money, and advice is from there. So if you're interested in coaching, as usual, got link below. Still always, even when I was off social media, still always been coaching people. So of course, you're always welcome to apply for coaching, and we can work together. But until next time, guys, let's make it a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.